You can buy a lot of expensive products to get rid of yellow jackets. In this video, I'm going to show you a technique that I've been using for about 5 years. It's real easy to make, real low cost, real effective. Chances are you probably have everything at home to make it work. I've tried a lot of techniques to get rid of these yellow jackets. I've even tried sucking them up in a vacuum. It's interesting, but it does not get the queen. If you don't get the queen, she'll keep laying eggs. Let me go through some of the details on the technique that I have found does work. First, we'll take something like an old juice container and we're going to cut it in half. What we're after is half a cylinder, so there's actually a lot of ways you can make this structure. I've used PVC pipe, I've used cardboard, whatever you've got laying around. In this video, I'm using this clear bottle, that way you can see through it. Once we get this cylinder all cut out, we're going to be gluing this right underneath where the yellow jackets come in and out of their nest. We're going to be using common garden insecticides that most people have in their house right now. Either the Ortho Bug Be Gone or the 7 Dust, both work. At night, we're going to glue this portion right here to the wall. You want to do this at night because there's no activity at night. I really don't like using the flashlight, but I kind of need to because the camera needs it. Just use the hot glue gun and glue it right where the hole is that the yellow jackets are using to get in and out of the house. These yellow jackets built their nest between the joists. I'm not tearing out my floor or my ceiling to get these guys. I'm going to use 7 Dust this time, but both of these products work. Just get a good full scoop and put it right onto the cylinder. The yellow jackets are going to use this as a landing pad and drag this stuff right into the nest. If you have access, just go ahead and put it anywhere that they'll land, so they'll drag more of it right into the nest. When they drag it into the nest, this will kill all the yellow jackets inside the nest, including the queen. In about 2 days, you're going to see a drastic slowdown in activity. In about a week, you're going to see yellow jackets coming in and out of their nest. They're not going to be flying around too much. If you see that all the dust is gone and dragged into the nest, you could add some more if you want to, but you really don't need to. And that's basically all you need to know about the technique. So next time you have a yellow jacket problem, here's an easy, low-cost method you can use to get rid of them. Well, I hope you have found this video useful. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.